Okay, I'm back, and this is the same size canvas. It's a 35 centimeters by 22. What I'm going to do is first pour the background color, and of course there's no silicone in the background color because then you get the dimples, and we don't want the dimples. We don't want them on our thighs, and we don't want them in our paint, right guys? So I'm going to spread it out a little here, just to make sure that the canvas is covered. Of course I want to do the sides. I'm going to do it really fast here. There you go, nice and smooth. There you go. Oops, dripping on my scissors. I do want to do the sides a little bit here because I'm planning on having the colors go over the sides. And when you have to touch them up, it's not that nice to look at. And of course, when someone hangs it on the wall, you have this. They will also be looking at the sides, so they want something nice. There you go. Nicely covered, nicely done in the corners. Here I'm missing a little bit, so I have to put some more on here. There you go. Smoothing it out. Nice and smooth. Now, this time I'm going to be pulling my colors. I'm going to go like this. Pulling it down. That's the plan. Yeah, you're thinking, right. We'll see it when it happens, right? Okay. I want to start up here, go like this. Yeah. So I'm going to put it on here. I'm hoping this is making contact because, no it's not. I'll have to do it in the middle, guys. Sorry, but it's not making any contact. I'm hoping it's gonna all stay in until I am ready to do it. As soon as I see it seeping out from under, I will have to move. Oops. And more orange. And a little bit more of the yellow. I think that's enough. Now we're going to pour around it to make sure that it's going to be under here. Yeah, here it goes. I'll just have to tilt it that way. There you go. Yeah, that's okay. That's working. Now we have to torch it. Yeah, I like the colors. Only I want it to do a little bit more. I want it to move a little bit more. Pulling it back a little to keep them nice and round. And we want to keep some of that background color, of course. This is where I touched it with my thumb. Shouldn't be doing that. And I'm hoping it's going to spread a little bit into the background. That would be really nice. That would be just that extra thing you need. It's doing it up here, but here not so much. But I do like these colors. they are nice, but guys, don't get ahead of ourselves. I think the colors are really nice and popping, but I don't like the whole layout because it's not interesting enough. So what I'm gonna do, I've never done this before, but I'm gonna try. Let's see what we can do, because I really like that. This not so much. I really need something to squirt it with. Yeah. I think I'd like to, you know, cross it with the blue. So that's what we're gonna do. Putting the blue in, and this time I do need silicone, so I'm putting it in a little bottle. I'm adding a little bit of silicone, putting the top on. Okay, let's do this. Nice. Nice. And then really tilt really fast because I want it to move. See, that is what I was imagining it would do. Then all of a sudden the piece comes alive, but we're not ready yet. We want some up here. There we go. And we want some down here, which we will tilt that way. Okay, that's it. Now I like it. Gotta paint back the corners. And now I shouldn't be touching the corners anymore, so I have to touch it beneath. That's it. I think that's it. This is what I like. So now it has this beautiful movement, and as you can see, it's more interesting because just a pour right down there coming down, that wasn't that interesting. What I do want to add, of course, is some glitter, and I'm going to go for, let's see, I think I'll go back to this color because that sort of really fits, but I'm gonna dust it. That's it. No more than that, just the dusting. So then when the light catches it, it'll have these little glinster. It's like just, you know, metallic paint, something like that. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna leave it as is. I think it's beautiful. Yep, I can live with it. I really like what's going on here. Maybe I should do something with these colors and then do a funnel pour, something like that. Yeah, that would really be cool. But I like the movement. I like everything what's going on here. Not sure if you can see the, oh yeah, you can see the glitter. See that? So it's, all it really is a dusting over the whole painting, and that way it looks like metallic paint. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you all to pieces. And right now I'm going to stop, and tomorrow I will start again because it's getting way too hot. So thanks all for watching. I really appreciate it, and if you can, please share, put it on your Facebook thingy to see if that really helps with the views. So thank you all. Love you all to pieces. See you in the next one.